Not to improve her health somewhere else.
She went to Maureen's house, Sharif's mother, and she's recovering there until Thursday.
Yesterday she left. This morning she left. Yesterday, house problem was getting worse here. Something maybe they thought it was in her room, but it's over the kitchen. Maybe the gas, something like this. So she thought maybe she should change environment. Huh?
Environment.
She's staying near the beach.
Yeah, get some fresh air.
Beach.
Like Jagannath. Like Jagannath.
Kendrick.
Yours here? Good one.
You're getting better, no fever.
Getting better.
Yours sleeping? Good.
Very good.
How long is
How's
it?
Since 10:30.
10:30.
Yeah.
Oh, many. Huh?
Many
Many bhajan.
how's your health, Gurudeva?
I don't care what the
Okay.
They need Hari Katha.
Right.
No other than this. How's the other devotee?
I will go get. I'll let Shami Hari everyone know that you're here.
10:30.
Huh?
10:30, but still no one coming.
Only few
I
maybe.
don't understand.
How many?
Yeah. 4 or 5. Over here.
Others taking late.
Yeah.
It's Monday.
Already 12 almost.
All of the best.
She has a sick. All the girls are sick. Everyone got a virus.
He is also sick.
Yeah.
Everybody is sick.
Most of us got sick. We got the first
You guys all look worse. I'm getting the mask.
Oh, his Krishna.
Where are you going this time tomorrow? You going?
I have to go back to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. You? What is your name?
Mariana.
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 Eu sou do Brasil.
Huh? Huh? Brazilian. From where?
Paraná. Paraná. Yeah.
Oh, Curitiba.
South. Yes.
Very nice.
You were there, right?
I am sure.
I'm going back in 2 weeks.
More than 20 years. Brazil origin. Just now did very nice because of that. Have you been there? No.
I'm sorry, Charles.
Have you been in Rath Yatra? São Paulo? No.
No.
We met her at a yoga expo, a yoga festival in, where was it?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago we just met her.
Yeah.
I'm a baby.
Welcome. I'm learning, but I really like
Okay. Om Agyanatimirandhasya Gyananjana Sudhakaya Chakshurvitam Yem Tasmai Gurave Gaurachandravaya Ramaya Vishnaya Krishnavaya Sarvabhautaya Namo Mahavajnaya Vishnavaya
जाजे लज्जं न जनकमाणिक्यं न विभं न जास्य कर्मं सर्वजनकामं परवधो मे सदा काले काली प्रमदपति न विचरीतो वन्नादसामि चाचणी मध्यभुवि दण्डवदृढार्थे अस्य प्रसादमवदश्रजनाश्रकृत्वा निजगणे गणनान्विते अङ्गस्यामल्पीचकामन्धीकचन्द्री परं जट्टं जातु गुरुरोचिषं पट्टं परस्त्रियाम् दामोदरं राधास्कन्धनिवेशोज्जलोजं तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि नदिमादिकराकिना इति विचारणाय रमणया First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Madhukad Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Sriman Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vidyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and especially offer my Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Prabhupada Charan, and Srila Samrani Didi, and all the devotees. So just I want to speak few words. May we also very nicely also celebrated Jagannath Ratha Yatra Maha Mahotsav. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifest his sweet, that is called mood of Braj Gopis. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared in this Kali Yuga to distribute the highest Braj mood, not Vaikuntha Prem, not Ayodhya, Dwaraka or Mathura Prem. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared in this Kali Yuga distributed highest prem. And that is called Gopi Prem he distributed. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad in his Vidagdha Madhav Natakam very nicely explained. Ye anarpita charing chirat karunya avatirna kalau samarpayatu unutta ujjalasam sabhakti siyam harihi purushandra dadi kadma sandirvida sada hidaya kandare spuratubha sachinandana. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he does not come every Kali Yugas. Right? Just one day of Brahma. That means 100 Chaturjuga. Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali in this rotation. The end of Dapar Yug, Vrindandan Samsundar, he comes. Same Vrindandan Samsundar, he again appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari in the beginning of Kali Yuga. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is non-different from Krishna. The special reason, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. That is called Radhikar Bhav Kanti Laya Krishna Avatirna Maido Gaura Rupa Dhare. That means Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. So saying Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is not different from Krishna. Antar Krishna Vahir Gaura. Antar means inside is Krishna. Or Vahir Gaura. And his external, his complexion, that is called fresh complexion Gaura. Actually this fresh complexion that is Srimati Radhika herself. That means Srimati Radhika completely covered the whole body of Krishna. So no one can recognize to him he is Krishna. But he is Krishna. And and he also distributed the highest praise to everybody. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. And avatare vichar na karila. In this incarnation of Gaura avatar, he did not discriminate who is qualified and who is unqualified. Jare dake tare dan prem baraya. Whatever who is coming and he is giving. Take this prem, highest prem. Will not take. 6% they don't want to receive Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's highest prem. H.I. Bhakti Dhanya Palaila. 6 types of people, they ran away from Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chasing behind. Take this. Take bread and butter, both. Once one thief entered in the house of some person. Then that person, he wakes up, that in the meantime the thief, he took the bread and ran away. That person, he was chasing behind to him. Chasing. And that person, he fought him. Hey, thief. Then thief told, no, don't beat me. 3 days I did not eat anything, I am very hungry. That time that person, no, I will not beat you. You took my dry bread. But you did not take my butter. Please come and take on your both. Good enough. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving both. Prem Dhan he is giving. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Bread is the personification of Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, automatically get. Or butter, that is called, butter is the significance of Prem, highest Prem. Because other yugas, different incarnation of Lord, Bhagavat Avatar, they came. They distributed Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Some they also distribute the Vaikuntha Prem, Ajodhya Prem, Dwarka Prem, Mathura Prem. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, I am giving highest Prem of Braj, take this. But one thing is a very few people they understand about the prem and love. We are saying love, love, love. I love you. What is the meaning of love you? Very rare people they understand the love. Or we understand love means we love which love? Material love. Eh? We understand or not? Or you understand? Eh? You understand or not? Material love. Eh? This is true. And mother, parents love, and friends love, many kinds of love. But in this material world, this love is temporary and changeable. Eh? All kinds of material love that is called temporary and changeable. Eh? As the weather, changing or not? Eh? And temporary also. One day very hot, the next day cold and rain coming, cloudy, change. So in the same way in this material world, that love also this way. But we discuss about transcendental love, aprakita prem. Eh? This aprakita transcendental love not possible to manifest in this material world. Aprakita prem, that the prem niloke kopuna hoy. Jano suddha hem. Suddha hem. Suddha hem means pure. Hem means gold. How will get the pure gold? All gold mixed with something is there. So, Jano Jamunado Hem Niloke na hoy. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami wrote. Braja Prem, Suddha Prem, pure Prem, not possible to manifest in this material world. Give an example, Jano Jamunado Hem Niloke Kohuna hoy. Jammunada Hem, use this word, Bengali word. What is it? Jambu Nada Hem. That means one very nice, beautiful legend, story. In the top of the Himalayas, there was one very nice, beautiful jamun trees. Jamun tree, you understand? The blackberry, big, blackish. If you eat, so sweet coming. Have we ate or not?
There's one in the neighborhood that's giving fruit now.
No.
Yeah, it's right down the street.
Okay, you bring.
Okay.
Now go.
No.
Because now we are nearby.
It's very close.
Huh?
Really want
Jamun, in the top of the Himalayas, there one very nice, beautiful jamun tree. Very small, big, and very blackish, will ripen, sweet taste coming. So, this story is that on the top of the Himalayas, one day, there one very nice, beautiful jamun tree. When the jamun fruits and ripen and falling on the bank of the river, and there is some chemical in there. Then automatically it transfer in gold. So that gold, his name is called Jammunada Hem. But when that gold manifests, then the demigod is there coming from heavenly planet, and they take and buy. So not coming in this material. No one can get. So what is this example given in Chaitanya Charitamrita? Jano Jammunada Hem Niloke na hoy. Not possible. Because, why are you saying? Because in this our material body, Jada Sarira, material body. And prem not possible to manifest. Because prem cannot tolerate this body. You understand? Transcendental body, if without transcendental body, prem will not manifest. This is something else. So saying, Jamuna the him, Niloke na hoy. We are saying love, 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 prem, prem. But when you get the love, prem, if you attend to prem, the different stages also there. Adu, Shraddha, first Saranagati, surrender to Lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. Saranagati, then Shraddha, faith, then Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav and Prem. High stage also. Then when Prem manifested, then Prem also different stages also there. In morning I told, as like milk. Same milk when you boiling. Boiling milk. Then different taste will come and different name will giving. Not other than the same milk. And you drink or not? Sweet taste. But this milk is more condensed. Then another taste, another name. In the same way, in the transcendental world, the same way. Prem, then prem more condensed. That is called sneha. Sneha means love and affection. Sneha. Then more condensed this sneha. That is called man. Right? Morning I also explain. And anger or man, manabhas and man, three things are different. Morning I told you, 1 hour I spoke. Lakshmi Devi in Vaikuntha. Her, not man, that is called her Krodh, anger. She did not give respect her husband Krishna. He became very angry. This is not man. Then in the queens of Dwaraka, Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are also man, but it is not Suddha man, not pure man, anger. That is called man abhas. This what is called? Some semblance of man, manabhas. Our Shuddha pure man is where? In the heart of the Braj Gopesh. So for this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Krishna Kanta Gan Hon Trividha Prakar. What did he say? Krishna Kanta Gan Hon Trividha Prakar. The consort of Krishna, 3 types. How many types? 3. Vaikuntha, Lakshmi, see the consort of Lord Narayan. Or second, Dwaraka Mahisigan in Dwarakapuri, the queens there also. Or in Braj, Vrindavan, Gopis. So then in Vrindavan, Gopis, they also consort of Krishna. In Dwaraka, Mahisi, they also consort of Krishna. Or in Vaikuntha, Lakshmis, they also consort of Krishna. But difference in their mood. So now come in this way, this Sneha, Man, Pranay, then Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udiruda, Mohun, Modan, and Mohan Madanakha Mahabhav. The highest mode this way. So now come this way, because we are sadhaka. We are, sadhaka means we are practitioners. We are practicing how to attain the highest mood, highest prem, these things, practicing. So bhakti, 3 levels also there. How many levels of bhakti? 3. That is called sadhana bhakti, then bhava bhakti, then prema bhakti. Sadhana bhakti is the 2 function. What is that? Who remember? Hola. Tell. What is the 2 function of sadhana bhakti?
To remove anarthas.
To remove anartha, as like washing machine, cleaning. Understand? You give the dirty cloth in the washing machine and cleaning. All the anartha is removed. First you say, what is the activities of sadhana bhakti? Kriti saddha bhavet saddha sa sadhana vida nitta siddhasya bhavasya prakattam hridi sadhati. So sadhana bhakti, this is the first function, to have to clean the anarthas, anartha nivritti. Because sadhana bhakti, shraddha to asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti. What did he say? Shraddha to asakti. Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana, kriya, anartha, nishtha, ruchi, asakti. All these stages called?
Everything was smashed on floor. Only few left.
Oh, okay, nice. You are so kind. Yeah, this is on. Very sweet.
Very healthy.
Okay, very healthy, he is saying.
Good for blood sugar. Good for you.
Okay, good. Just people can, many people, what is the blackberry? This? Jamun. It's nice, isn't it? So, okay, just I tell you. What is it? Sadhana bhakti is first function to clean the dirt from our heart. Or second, how we receive all the sprinkle mood of the Brajavashi. Those are the eternal associates of Krishna Nitya Pulkar. So saying, Kriti Saddha, Bhavet Saddha, Sa Sadhana Vida, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakata Hidi Shraddhati. Sadhana Bhakti. Already remember, Sadhana Bhakti is 2 function. Don't forget this. So sadhana bhakti, then we will come in the bhav bhakti, suddha sutta, vichesattam, prema sujjang sangha bhako, ruchi vichitta smarshana, kridasu, bhava uchyate. Then after bhav bhakti, then you come in the 3rd stage, that is called prema bhakti. This is the process, step by step, how to develop our sadhana and bhajan, attend to abode of Lord. One day not possible. We are saying chant holy names, be happy. But how will become happy? When you attain in prema dasa, then happy. Take time. Just you took admission in the school or college, you become doctor, lawyer, how possible? Take time or not? So in the same way, sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. Then again also explain sadhana bhakti, 2 leaves manifest. That is called klesagni and supada. All your klesha, distress, unhappiness, that will be disappear step by step. And that is called klesagni. Kles means distress. Avidya, asmita, raga, desh, abhinivesh, pap, bij. Even the desire to commit sin, also papa vasana, will be disappeared from your heart. If you just practice sadhana bhakti, then Papa Vasana also reject. Many people, they don't know what is the meaning of Papa, sinful activity. They don't know. People, they don't know or not. They're killing the animals. Killing or not. Eating their flesh. They're not thinking. Paap kare kahu nahi kare. They committed many sinful actions, Papa karma. But they don't know what is Paap and what is Punya. Sitting propensity. Because conditional soul means here, three things are there. What is the four things of conditional soul? Brahm. Brahm means illusion. Pramad. And they are not given the attention. They did not give attention to what they are doing and so much absorbed to enjoy the sense gratification. That is called Brahm Pramad. Then Karanapata and Brahm Pramad, Vipradipsa, cheating, propensity. Brahm Pramad, Vipradipsa. And then Karanapata. Karanapata, they all the senses of conditional soul. That is called imperfect. Perfect or not? No. Our eyes, when we become old, then I cannot see. Understand? Even good. Young also cannot see, need also glasses. All what this is needed. Because this is a material body. Jada Sari. What is Sari? Jada, understand? Material body. Is the nature. So Brahm, Pramad, Vipradipsa and Karanapata. Think on this. So Sadhana Bhakti then, Sadhana Bhakti 2, it lives manifest. One is called Klasagni and then Subhada. Subhada means all the good qualification automatically manifest in what? And especially 26 types of Vaishnava qualification manifest in here. Kripalu, Akrituda, Satta, Sama, Sara, Vadanna, Kovi, Daksha, Mauni. This qualification will come. Kripalu is very merciful to all the living entities. Kripalu. Kripalu, Akrituda. He never think he is my enemy. Satta, always speak the truth. Kripalu, Akrituda, Satta, Sama is equal to all the living entities. Satta, Sama, Sar, Vadanna, Kovi, Daksha, very expert to serve to all kinds of activities of Guru and Krishna. Mauni, Mauni means silence. What is the silence? So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, Mauni means he is always want to speak Harikatha. And Mauni means he also not talking mundane Katha. Understand it? Mauni means not the just close the mouth and not speaking. Now put the smash. I will not speak anything. Understand? People are thinking this way. But need this right. And in his mind thinking bad things. Mauni means if you speak Hari Katha. This is called perfect Mauni. Silence. Silence from talk mundane Katha. Jada Katha Parihari. Always give up the mundane talk. Asad Bharta Bisa Mati Sarvasya Harini Katha Mukti Vyagra Sarvatma Gilini. Manasik Chasing. Asad Bharta. Asad Bharta means mundane talk. That is called as like a prostitute lady. Asad Bharta Bisa Mati Sarvasya Harini. Never talk mundane talk. How do you say? Krishna Katha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Manasiksha, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse. Asad Bhatta Visramati Sarvasya Harini. You don't need to mind and talk. What benefit you will get? Huh? Nothing. Always speak Krishna Katha, Hari Katha. Huh? Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete. Krishna He Jadava He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma. I like gopis. When they meet together each other, they talk about Krishna Katha. One Sakhi, they meet together, another Sakhi, oh please glorify our Krishna's form meeting. Then saying, okay, Balaha Pidang Natavrabhopu Karanu Karnikaram Vibritavasu Panakabisam Vajantamalam Randhranu Venu Radharsudeva Purayana Gopa Vrindai Vrindaran Sapadaramanam Pravis Satagiti Kirti. Gopis, they were staying in their house. But when they meet each other's gopis, they discuss about Krishna Katha. Like this. In Vrindavan, everybody was always absorbed to glorify our Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete, Govinda Damo Dharma Dhavete. Krishna He Jadava He Sakheti, Govinda Damo Dharma. They discuss only Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha. Oh, today Krishna, he came in my house. Who is saying? One gopi told. Understand? And Krishna drank all the mattha. Mattha, understand? Buttermilk. Chach pi gai re. The Brajavasis, they are singing this song. Understand? Krishna came in my house and he drank. Understand? All the buttermilk. Yes. Pi gai. Pi gai means he drank. So all the buttermilk. Sometimes Krishna used to come in the house of Brajagopis, and Brajagopis, they also catch to Krishna. But Krishna is very tricky. He is naughty boy. Understand? Very difficult to catch him. But every day gopis, they complain to Mother Yashoda about Krishna. But Mother Yashoda, she did not believe. Because Mother Yashoda, she is thinking, how possible Krishna will go your house and steal butter from your house? Tell to me. In my house the best quality is milk, butter. Because in Braj, one types of cows. Their name is called Padma Gandha. They're giving very nice, beautiful, sweet fragrance milk as like lotus. That milk is image called, that cow is image called Padmagandha. Cows. Gavi. Very nice. And that cow is only in the house of Nanda Maharaj and the house of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, Srimati Radhika's father's house. Understand? Not others, Brijvasi's house. And Mother Jasoda every day she also milking the cows. Mother Jasoda she also milking that cow's milk. Understand? And Krishna drinking that milk also. Sometimes Mother Jasoda milking the cows and Krishna saying, Mom, I want to drink this milk. Which one? Coming from the utter of the cow. Then Krishna opened his mouth and a cup. Look at this. So for this regard, Mother Jasoda, she did not believe that Krishna used to go their house and stealing butter or milk from their house. But every day gopis they complained. No, your Krishna coming. Mother Jasoda just laughed and joked. How possible? What they are saying, maybe they are a dream. Sometimes your dream coming or not? In the same way, Mother Jasoda, she thinking, gopis they are thinking this is their dream. Not my son, he does not go. How possible? So for this regard, one day Gopi thinking, today I will catch to Krishna with his red handed. Did you understand? He will catch me. And with butter and his hand. Only Krishna will take, the butter will be here and not only this, also I bind with him and so to Mother and bring to Mother Jasoda. So Gopi, this so planned this way. Krishna is Bhagavan also. What you try to understand? Who is Bhagavan? At a time, two things are there. One is called Sarvagata and Mugdhata. All-knowing power, Sarvagata. And simultaneously, Mugdhata. Mugdhata means innocent. And he does not know anything. Okay. That Gopi she also planned. She also prepared very nice fresh butter and put in one pot. And the top of the pot put one tap. Trap, understand? Fund, legal. If you enter your hand and that tap will be a catch. You can take back. Also, Gopi is thinking, we don't know when Krishna will come. For this regard, she put one bell, Gandhi. If Krishna enter in his hand, then tap is cut and simultaneously that bell will be ringing. Then Gopi will come and catch very quickly. As like people, they also catching the mouse. Okay. Now Krishna came and Krishna, there is fresh butter, very nice, beautiful sweet butter. Krishna is thinking how to take the butter from this pot. Krishna is looking, the tap is there. And also one bell is there. Krishna first told, hey bell, don't make the sound. Do you know I am Bhagavan or not? Hey, don't make the sound. Today I have to take this butter from this pot. Don't make the sound. Don't make. Then bell saying, okay, oh my Lord, I follow your instruction. Then Krishna entered in his hand inside the pot. Then taking in the meantime, when Krishna taking the butter in his mouth, then Bel start to Krishna say, hey, you did not follow my instruction. Hey, stupid nonsense. Hey, Bel, I will give you to position in the stay inside the temple. Hey, Bel always saying, when do Archan, put him there or not? No. Yeah, put in here. Actually, put in there. Bel always staying in here. And altar. There's the Archan is there. Huh? I give highest position to you. Now he's putting it. Huh? You read the Archan Deepika, have you know? Ghanta Suddhi Mantra, the purification of Bel, Sarva Bhaddhamai Ghanta. The sloka is there, right? Okay. So now I gave a explanation, but I did not follow my instruction. Then Bel is saying, this is not my fault. I follow your instruction. You took the butter from the pot. That time I did not make sound. But you also explain in your devotees, they when you will eat, the pujari should be so you are eating is quiet. Huh? Lord will accept your offering and when you ring the bell. And the pujari on this. Then idam asanam, idam paddam, idam orgam, and saying this and making the bell. So when we taking things, so this is not my fault. When you told me when I will take the butter, I should not make any sound. But when you will eat, otherwise how possible you eat? Tell me. So this is not my fault. Okay. So now the gopi, she wake up. She came in back and called to Krishna. Hey! Okay. Go be catching. Transcendental world, everything is world. Transcendental. Okay. Now, why you are stealing butter from my house? Then Krishna saying, your house? I don't know, I think this is my house. This is my house. No, this is my house. But how possible? Krishna is saying Tattva Darshan philosophy. What is saying Krishna? Isavasam sarvamidam jatkinchan jagatam jagat tena tatta bhujita magrita kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Krishna or not? Yes. We are saying this is mine, this is yours, that things. Actually, everything belongs to Krishna. Ishavashyam sarvavinam jatkinchan jagatam jagat tena tatta bhujita magrita kasya siddhanam. Is Upanishad very clearly explained. So Krishna thinks everything belongs to me, so this is mine. So I am not stealing. But Gopi is saying, no, this is my house. Okay. So Gopi is not saying, why you are taking butter from my pot? Then Krishna told, no, I am not stealing butter, nothing. Just I am searching on my cup, small cup. Cup? Cup, understand? Well, yes, this cup enter in your house. For this I have come here. I will take back my well, have your cup. Then Krishna again enter his hand in the and chanting these Then he found one small toy cup. Understand? Look, this cup. This cup enter in your butter pot. So I am saying, Gopi they laughed. Very naughty boy. And your mother, she did not believe. Huh? Okay, come. And now we bind to you with the rope around the pillar. And then I call your mother, she will can see. This is your there. She can believe. Then that the Gopi try to bind to Krishna, 2 hands around the pillar. So Krishna 2 hands are this way, no? This way, coming this way. And Gopi tried to bind one rope. 10 times, 5 times, 10 times bind. But could not see, met the knot. Then Krishna told, hey Gopi, listen. You don't know how to bind. I teach to you. Then you can bind my hand. The student. Because Krishna's words is very sweet and eloquent. Everybody completely was captivated, charmed. Understand? The Sanskrit word is called mantra mugdhavat. What do you say? Mantra. As like if you chant your mantra, then everybody completely was stunned. Not thinking other thing. Understand this way? So Krishna's sweet words and that Gopi's heart completely was enchanted. So for this Gopi, she told, okay, you also teach to me how to make the knots, binding the knots. Then Krishna, okay, so I teach to you. So your hand put this way, then Gopi also put this hand, her hand 2 ways. Then Krishna binding and binding 2, 3, 4, 10 times maybe the knots giving him. And then Krishna saying, Tata, bye bye. I am going, hey, open this knots. Then Krishna told, listen, I learned everything from my mother. How to make the knots. But I don't know how to untie. Then Krishna ran away. Look, this Leela is going on. Because so saying the Idrika Srilavi Anand Kunde Shaghosangni Vajjantam Akshapayantam Pradyasita Gnesu Bhaktistattang Punaprimastattam Satabhriti Bande Namami Saram Satchidanandarupam Lasad Kundalam Gokule Bhajanam Jasoda Bhiyolu Khalabdhabamanam Paramrishtamatan Tatavyuttagopa Rudantam Murnetram Jugmamritantam Karambujajumena Satankanetram Muhursasakampa Sikhankakanta Pita goye badamo Namami Saram Satchidananda Rupa Lasaruna I am saying this katha, Krishna katha. Always you speak Krishna katha, no Manyani katha. Sadgun will come, good qualification. Kripalu, Akadadyo, Satta, Samosara, Badano, Kovi, Daksha, Mauni. All these good qualifications. Just sadhana bhakti is 2 leaves coming. One is called Klesagni and Supada. Then Bhav Bhakti, again 2 leaves. That is called Moksha Sudurlabha and Moksha Lagutapri. 2 leaves coming. You will think Mukti, that is called liberation, salvation. That is called insignificant. No need Mukti. Impartialist, they perform hard austerities, how to get Mukti. But they are the devotee of Lord. Just simple chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You chant holy name. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, Mukti automatically what? Running after you. Please give me some prasad. In Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Bhakti Maharani. Bhakti Devi is her origin name? Maharani. Maharani, understand? Great queen. When the great queen, she goes, automatically what? She has many maid servants. Das. You heard the Lakshmi Devi in Vaikuntha. When she is going to search her husband Jagannath Krishna, then many, her husband going on. In the same way. Bhakti Staritrada, Dibban Kishore Murti, Mukti Sang Muktanjali, Sevati Asman, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Mokshaya, Samaya Pratiksha. If the Suddha Bhakti manifests one's heart, then automatically what? Dharma, economical, dharma means religion, dharma. Artha means and economical development, dharma, artha. Kam, all kinds of facilities automatically get. Dharma, artha, kam. Or moksha means liberation. Come. So dharma, artha, kama, moksha, samaya pratiksha, all they will ask. Understand? How can he serve to you? Sometimes saying, people are saying, I have no money, no, that. Let's chant holy names. Practice bhakti. People, they have no faith. Practice bhakti. At Kaliji bhakti, that is called Nam Sankirtan. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant holy names, be happy. What this God said. Come. What do you want? Because Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddho Nitya Mukta Avinnatvat Nama Namina Harinam. In this Kali Yuga. And Lord invested all his potency in his holy name. You understand? Okay. Chant holy name. You understand? Panta. And Kanta holy names. Phala Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Holy name, very sweet. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And holy names. Two bhajans are this. So now try to understand. Yeah, you are lucky. Anyhow, you have come in temple. How many days before you are coming?
So 1 week and a half.
Okay.
So I came last Sunday, this Sunday.
Okay. So how many days? 3 weeks. 3 times. Okay. Listen Harikatha and chant holy name. Just your finger going chant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Very nice. Holy names is powerful. But you have to chant holy names with faith. And the holy name will fulfill all my desires. Nam is very powerful. Understand? Ajamil, just to Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ajamil, he committed many sinful activities, Papa Karma. Just he gives his son's name, Narayan. Your name? Mariana. Look at this. Ram Nam. Ajamil he gave son's name Narayan, then he chanted his son's name Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Hey Narayan, come here. Narayan eat. Narayan do this. Every time he chanted his son's name Narayan. Then at the end of his life, about to die, then he remembered his son Narayan and attained the abode of Lord. Namavas come. Namavasi Ajamil Paila Vaikuntha. Ajamil attained to Vaikuntha just Namavas, emblem of holy name. Nam is part. Conditional soul, they have no faith. For this regard, they can't get any benefit. And so, with firm faith, chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just I will tell you this. So, Klesagni and Subhadana come. Next, sadhana bhav bhakti. Moksha lokita kriti. I said moksha means bhav bhakti is 2 lips manifest. One is called moksha lokita kriti. That means this is mukti, that is insignificant. And dharma, artha, kama, moksha automatically come. And another lips that is called Sudurlabha. Then very, very rare to attain prema bhakti. Sastra sadhana koi paribhakti sudurlabha. If you practice karma, jnana, jagata, not easy to attain Suddha bhakti. Sudurlabha. One is called Durlabh. Durlabh means rare. Or another is Sudurlabha. Very, very rare. 2 things are very important. The human body is very, very rare. That is called Durlabha. Durlabho manusho dehi dehinam kanabhangura tatrapi durlabhang manne vaikuntha priya darshanam. 2 things are Durlabh. One is called Durlabh, another is called Sudurlabh. Which is Durlabh? Durlabh means very rare. This human body. After 8.4 billion species, Lord mercifully give us this human body. Bible also saying same thing. God created man after his own image. That means Lord, he creates all the others living entities. Then finally he creates the human being as like him. But the only the human body we can chant holy names. Cat's body, dog's body, and animal's body. They chant holy names or not? What they are doing? Always absorbed in the 4 things. Eating, sleeping, depending, and mating. What they are doing?
Eating, sleeping, depending, and mating, and barking.
What do you say? Barking. Huh? Animals, they are doing. Elements, animals, birds, all are doing the same thing. Eating, sleeping, depending. But we are human beings. We can chant holy names. We can associate with sadhu. She comes, here temple associate sadhu, listen Harikatha, no? What is it? Yes, nice. Yeah, good. It's good. Good symptom. Huh? It's good. Eh? The Sukriti is coming. Coming. Eh? One day will become pure devotee. Why not? Eh? Who knows? Eh? Even this Sukriti means the Sukriti. Su means beautiful. Kriti means your activities. Listen Hari Katha, that is called Sukriti. Taking Mahaprasad, the Sukrit, the Sukriti. Because everything is transcendental. You may not understand, but this is called Mahaprasad, which is offered to Lord. That is called Mahaprasad. Understand? What is Mahaprasad? Which is offered to Lord, that is the remnants of Lord. That is called Mahaprasad. And you are thinking, oh, this is rice, dal, sabji, chapati. But you know, this is Mahaprasad. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you take this Mahaprasad, the first create this type of Sukriti. Then your tendency will come to perform bhajan and sadhana. Understand? Because Sukriti. Su means beautiful. Kriti means activities. Because Sukriti. Taking Mahaprasad. What I am saying, if you have to go to, I have no taste to listen Harikatha, no problem. Come, take Mahaprasad. This is very important. So when this Sukriti will be accumulated and matured, then your taste will come to associate with sadhu, listen Harikatha. Everybody taste will not come to listen Harikatha because lack of Sukriti. But when your Sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then you are very eager to listen Harikatha. Understand? Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi viveditam kalmasahapam Sravana mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvijinnanti te Bhurida jana Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam Kavi viveditam kalmasahapam Sravana mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvijinnanti te Bhurida jana Bhurida jana Bhurida jana Bhurida jana Bhurida jana. Srimati Radhika, she recited this verse. Bhurida jana. Bhuri means best. Damane datahu, the best donor, one who glorifies the pastimes of Krishna Katha. And in this material world, people, they are speaking mundane Katha. Mundane Katha. If you sit to another person, they only speak to mundane Katha, criticize to each others. Criticize or not? This is your fault, this is that fault, this guru, that guru, and stupid nonsense guru, my guru is the best guru, your guru is stupid nonsense guru. They don't ask, who are you? Or you are stupid nonsense. He is not saying I am nonsense. He is thinking I am best. Yeah, English word saying, I am doing as my best. I know. Speak Hari Katha. Krishna Katha. Discuss Krishna Katha. Always give the example how gopis they meet to each others and speak Hari Katha. Glorify about Krishna. And how Krishna's 64 qualifications. How Krishna 4 extraordinary 4 qualifications. How many? 4. Rupa Madhurya, sweetness of the beauty. Rupa Madhurya. Lila Madhurya, sweetness of his divine first time. Third, Prema Madhurya, sweetness of his divine love. Or fourth, Venu Madhurya, sweetness of the sound of his flute. Govinda Venudhani. They are discussing now. Imagine this. Varnanto Krishna Katha. They always were glorified about Krishna Katha, not other than this. The sound of the flute of Govinda Venudhani. Vrindavanam Sakhi Bhabubu Vitanoti Kirtim Jad Devaki Suto Padabja Labdha Lakshmi Govinda Venunumatta Mayura Nittang Prekshadi Shanna Bharatanna Samasta Sattam. One gopi told to another gopi, look how this sound of the flute of our beloved Govinda. Govinda Venudhani. When Krishna played the flute, and then all the birds of Vrindavan, they completely charmed. Vrindavanam Sakhibhubo Vitanati Kirti Jad Devaki Sudo Padabja Labdha Lakshmi. Krishna, when he used to go herding the cows, then Krishna's footprints everywhere. Understand? How is beautiful footprints of Krishna. There is called Krishna Charan Chinna. What is it? Krishna Charan Chinna. The footprints of Krishna everywhere. Prabhupada Saraswati Pad saying, if you go Vrindavan, everywhere see the footprints of Srimati Radhika. Okay, so now compromise. Krishna's footprints and step next to Srimati Radhika footprints. Because Krishna, he is walking not alone. You understand? Krishna, he walks with Srimati Radhika. Go step by step. So Prabhupada Saraswati Pad glorified. Radha Karavachita Pallava Ballari Ke Radha Padanka Vilasito Madhurastari Ke Radha Jasumukho Matta Khagavali Ke Radha Biharo Vipinam Ramatang Mano. Nice slogan. If you learn these slokas, then heart will overjoy and chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. They can see transcendental vision will come. Your transcendental vision will come. You can see how is Vrindavan decorate with the footprints of Krishna and Srimati Radha. Jatra Jatra Radha, Tatra Tatra Krishna, Jatra Jatra Krishna, Tatra Tatra Radha. Understand? Where is Radha? There is Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Good enough. Heart will watch it. So just coming. So the Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, this sweet, four extraordinary qualifications of Krishna. So the then sadhana with bhav bhakti manifest, then two leaves already. Again, remind to you. One is called moksha lukta krit and sudurlabha. And sudurlabha, which is very rare. By the performance karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, bhakti, they will not manifest. Jnanata sulabha mukti. If you practice the knowledge, maybe you can attain the mukti, liberation. But sasya sadhana kai hari bhakti sudur labha. Lord, not so easy to give bhakti to you. And bhakti mukti diyatare prem dhan rakhen lukaiya. Krishna, if you do bhajan sadhana, Krishna will give first the dharma, artha, kama, moksha will give. Take this. Or Bhakti Devi, she will hide. I know. Huh? Okay. But when you are only ego, no, I want bhakti, then Krishna will give. What is saying? Bhakti mukti diya tare prem dhan rakhan lukaiya. So now coming in this way, sadhanavati bhav bhakti, then prema bhakti will come. Then again two leaves manifest. Further leaves. Sandhatma, Visatma or Krishna Akarsani. And that prem is more and more condensed. Sandhatma, Visatma. Or Krishna Akarsani. Krishna himself also is chasing behind you and attract you, coming. Now we are searching where will we get Krishna. How will we meet with Krishna? Such as Dhruva Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj, they are searching how to get Krishna. But when you come in the stage of Prema Bhakti, then Krishna will be chasing behind you. When you Gopi Bhav will come, then Krishna will be saying, I will how to meet with you. Vanang Vanantari, Krishna, he goes to herding the cows. One forest to another forest. Why? Why he is going? How to meet with the gopis? Look the opposite way. Now sadhak is thinking how will meet with Krishna. Or when you come the stage of Prema Bhakti, and highest Prema Bhakti, then Krishna is thinking how will meet with my pure devotee. Understand? So try to understand this. So saying this, Rupa Goswami written, Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karamaddana britam anukullena krishnanu silanam bhaktira uttama. Very simple. So practice uttama bhakti. Highest devotion service to Lord. Uttama bhakti. Then Krishna automatically chasing behind you. Govind, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bo. Oh, Hari Bo. Mero Radha Ramana Hari Hiri Dhari Sam Panamari. Mero Radha Ramana Hari Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Hari Sam Panamari. Hari Sam बोलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 बोलो हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे बोलो राधे 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 हरे राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 लगाई रे राधा नाम मैंने मैंने रत्ना लगाई रे राधा नाम की ओ राधा नाम की कृष्ण नाम की राधा नाम की कृष्ण नाम की ओ राधा नाम की कृष्ण नाम की मैंने लगाई रे राधा नाम की मैंने लगाई रे मेरो पलकों में राधा मेरो अलकों में राधा मेरो पलकों में राधा मेरो पलकों में राधा मेरो अलकों में राधा मेरो पलकों में राधा मेरो मैंने मान भराई रे राधा नाम की मैंने मान भराई रे राधा नाम की मैंने अपना लगाई रे राधा नाम की मैंने मेरे नैनों में राधा मेरो नैनों में राधा मेरो नैनों में राधा मेरो मैंने दिखाई रे राधा नाम की मैंने दिखाई रे मैंने रत्ना लगाई रे राधा नाम की मैंने मेरे दुल्हनी में राधा मेरो चुनरी में राधा मेरो दुल्हनी में राधा मेरो मैंने लगाई रे राधा नाम की मैंने मैंने सजाई रे राधा नाम की मैंने सजाई रे मेरे चलने में राधा मेरे हलने में राधा मेरे चलने में राधा मेरे कोटि में जाई रे राधा नाम की कोटि जाई रे मेरे दाएं बांधे राधा मेरे आगे पीछे राधा आई रे राधा नाम की आई रे राधा नाम मेरे अंग अंग राधा मेरे संग संग राधा मेरे अंग अंग राधा मेरे गोपाल बंसी बजाई रे राधा नाम की बजाई रे राधा नाम मैंने बजाई रे राधा नाम की बजाई रे ओ राधा नाम की कृष्ण नाम की राधा नाम की कृष्ण नाम की ओ राधा नाम की कृष्ण नाम की राधा बोलो हरे कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि It's a very nice book. Brazilian devotee manuscript in Portuguese. Huh? All the translation in Portuguese. Yeah. Fala Portuguese.
You can read and translate.
Huh? He can give to Ali. Yeah. Manto, fala.
I'm always singing the name of Radha. Radha is in the blink of my eyes, in the curly of my hair. Radha is in the curly of my hair. Oh, curls. Yeah, it's in the curls of my hair.
You will first read the Portuguese.
Should I read in Portuguese?
Yeah.
Okay. Estou sempre cantando o nome de Radha. Radha está nos cachos dos meus olhos. Radha está nos cachos dos meus cabelos. Eu preenchi a risca do meu cabelo com o nome de Radha. Radha está na minha visão. Radha está na minha fala. Eu entrelaço cada palavra com o nome de Radha. Radha está no meu colar. Radha está no meu sari. Eu adornei o meu brinco de nariz com o nome de Radha. Radha está no meu caminhar. Radha está nos meus gestos. Os guizos do meu cinto ressoam o nome de Radha. Radha está à minha direita e à minha esquerda. Radha está à minha frente e atrás. Cada fibra do meu ser reflete a rasa que flui do nome de Radha. Radha está em cada um dos meus membros, do meu corpo. Radha está sempre comigo. Gopala, toca a sua flauta que chama pelo nome de Radha.
Good, Pranam. All you know Spanish, Spanish,
Yes.
or Portuguese and Spanish.
Hello, Vrindavan Vihari. Okay, now 1:30. We have to go. And you can take prasad, then you will come. Evening, Harikatha. Mohini Devi's house. Okay, Bolo Madan Mohini Devi Dasi ki jai. She did not come. Okay. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Pardon?
Preparing for the program.
Who?
Madame Mohini.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, now going. Holy chant, holy name. Very nice book. Good night. Very nice presentation. Yeah.
Do you have beats already? Do you have Japa beats? Do you want to have a chant on?
Okay, chalo. Otherwise too late.